To get started installing Trivy, we're going to take a look at the documentation so we can grab the main commands from there. Since we're on a Debian-like Linux, we're going to use the Debian Ubuntu options. Essentially, we're going to download the dependencies and get those installed, and then we're going to add the public key from Trivy and add a source to our apt sources, and then we can do an apt-get update and finally install Trivy. We're just going to copy all these commands right off the documentation. Even though this documentation is marked for this particular version of Trivy, it's just going to download whatever the latest version is. So go back over to the command line and we'll paste those in and start letting those running. The first few lines run really quick, but then when it has to update the packages and actually download the software, this might take a few minutes, just depending on connection speeds. So now Trivy is installed. We can verify that it's working to a Trivy-H, and you should see the help menu come up.